we need to know all these things, right? That's the data science part of it, right? That's the experimentation side, right? So what a couple of things call my attention here. You know, I'm looking at the what do you call this? Like the table of contents or whatever, right? Because I definitely want to read about everything else that's available. But again, I'm still thinking from a meta perspective of, does this fit my data science process? How do I work with this? And also the things I'm showing you today are kind of like common in most libraries, in the good libraries. Like you're not going to find seasonality in some libraries, it doesn't apply, but you should find what you see here in the diagnostic section, because that's what's calling my eye. You know, my trained eye is going to the diagnostic section. Cross-validation is catching my eye, and hyperparameter tuning is catching my eye. And also the parallelizing, but that's secondary, and we'll get to that, right?